Welcome to Christmas Delight. My name is Ian John, the singing chef, and today for you, we're gonna do like three nice little salads that you can add to your Christmas buffet, right? First, we're gonna do a garden salad, which we've got lettuce, cabbage, tomatoes, corn, carrots, pepper. You can put any kind of amounts that you want in this, just whatever you prefer. And then we're gonna make a Caesar salad dressing to go along with that, and we're gonna put some croutons on the top. And then we're gonna make a tomato and onion salad with basil leaves or madman pork as you prefer. And then we're gonna make a 3-bean salad, which we're gonna flavor with anchovies, balsamic, smoked paprika, with pepper, and some orange juice there. First, what we're gonna do is we're gonna use this wonderful little thing that I've discovered. It is a spiralizer. And look at what it does. Look at what it does. Right? This fantastic thing, it basically, let me get over this way because, right? It turns it into, it looks almost like spaghetti. It's just a fantastic thing. So basically what we've done is we spiralized our courgettes. See, look at that. I think that's good. And basically you end up with this core that you don't want anyway. But you end up with these lovely, look how lovely that is. I think that's very pretty. Right, we're done with this one. We're gonna add this. I've made a little of a vinaigrette dressing. So we're just going to add a little bit. Basically it's just mustard and honey sauce. Just flavor that by itself. All right. So we're going to take our salad leaves. These have been washed and dried, right? And what you want to do is you remove some of the heavy stalks. You remove some of the, and the bits around the leaves that you don't want. Because remember, you got to make the food look presentable, nice and fresh. These bits we don't want. But what you do with salad, never cut it. I mean, you would if you were doing like tacos or something like that. Because the actual blade, the metal, when it goes against this salad leaves, it basically, your salad starts to brown very, very prematurely. So by the time your guests get here, if you cut it with a knife, you're going to see brown spots or brown edges on the salad. And, it's not nice to look at when you're eating, right? Okay, we just want to just break it up roughly like that. That's beautiful, beautiful. Wonderful. Take all the bits that you don't want, right? And that's basically it. Remove this. Right. Now you can get really nice lettuce nowadays at Border Market or, they got some really nice grocers that you can get this from as well. So this is not something that's hard to find. So we're going to add our cabbage. See how nice that looks already? I like the contrast. White. Okay. We're going to layer our peppers. Salads like this, I don't like to pre-dress them. What happens is that we're going to make a Caesar salad dressing, and we're just going to lay it on the side, and people can put on as much dressing as they want. Because the salad dressing, if you make it too early, if you add it to the salad too early, the leaves start to shrivel, and it doesn't have that nice impact, that fresh flavor that you want. So, hence why it's better to put it on the side anyway. Because some people like a lot of dressing, sometimes people don't even like dressing. I know a lot of people don't like dressing on a salad, they just like it fresh. Okay, and we're gonna, so basically you can put anything in salad. It's just the most, magnificent. Look at the colors here. Anything that's in your garden or somebody else's, you can definitely do that. All right, here we go. It's a wonderful thing. And just to finish this off, I'm putting, these are celery leaves, finely chopped. Yeah, just put about that much on top. And, you know, and last but not least, this is what I love. Look at that. God, I love cooking. Isn't that beautiful? Okay, that's our garden salad. Let's make our tomato and onion salad, right? This one is super easy, right? Look, is you just lay your tomatoes like this. It's a very easy, it's a very nice, look, see? Just like that. Okay, so you just keep just laying your tomatoes, right? This is about 8 tomatoes that I cut up. And then pick your best rings and just lay them on. Look, see? And this lasts a long time on your table, you know. Pick your best rings. Don't use up the rubbish ones. Okay, here we go. Here we go. They'll be fine. The little ones on the inside, don't use those, right? All right, there we go. We get nice rings. You see how nice that's looking already? It's a wonderful thing, wonderful time of the year. Okay. Right, there we go, there we go, there we go. There we go. And then we have these beautiful basil leaves. Basil leaves. Cool and refreshing drink. Yes, here we go. Just squeeze on like this. I love treating herbs like this. I don't ever, you know, I don't like actually to cut up herbs very much. Because when you're doing this, I'm telling you, the aroma that comes back onto your face, you know, to your nose, is quite amazing, right? These are the seeds from the basil plant. And just lay them over, right? You know, if you don't have basil, you can use actually broadleaf thyme. Just use it sparingly, right? But basil, tomatoes, it's a marriage made in heaven. On the top here, I'm going to add my, just put your balsamic vinegar like this. This is about 2 tablespoons. Black pepper, right? And of course, un petit peu, a little bit of salt. And there we have it, very simple. That is your tomato and onion salad with basil leaves on top. Let's go on to a 3-bean salad, right? 3-bean salad, basically, you can't get simpler than this. I've got some anchovy bits here. Just gonna crush them up a little bit and just add it to the bowl. Wiri pepper, right? Balsamic vinegar, smoked paprika, orange juice. Swirl that around, right? Seriously, salad making doesn't get any simpler than that. Add your beans now, right? Just mix all that together like this. This one though, you have to let stay in the dressing here. You got to leave that for about, I'd say this, what I've got here is black beans, I've got broad beans, and I got chickpeas, right? So if you let it stay for about an hour, because it really marinates, and the marinade actually cooks it, right? It's actually the simplest form of cooking, right? Add a bit of black pepper to that too. I'm going to add my onions, which make it look really fabulous. Last but not least, just put a bit of celery leaf on the top. And basically, that's it. Those are our 3 salads. This, let me put the croutons on these. These are croutons that I did earlier. 3-bean salad, tomato and onion salad, and this is a garden salad.